Hello everyone. Today video we will learn about what is the rest parameter and how is it used. In JavaScript, the rest parameter allows me to represent an indefinite number of arguments as an array. This is useful when we want to work with function that can take a variable number of arguments. Syntax. The rest parameter syntax is triple dot followed by the name of the array that will contain the rest of the arguments. Example. Here's the example illustrate to use the rest parameter function sum, then we are three dot numbers, and when we are calling the function that sum 1 2 3 and output will be 6. Three dot is basically what is done. uh, if we pass multiple number of value, okay, we do not know how much value it will pass or not, then we can use rest parameter. It will help us to find out the calculation better way. Okay. Explanation. If you understand the explanation, function declaration, the function sum is declared with the rest parameter triple dot numbers. This means that any numbers of arguments passed to sum will be collected into an array number named numbers. Arrays method inside the function, the reduce method is used to sum all the elements in the numbers array. Function call sum 1 2 3 or sum 4 5 6 sum 10. Pass three arguments to the function. These are collected into the number array 1 2 3 as sum is equal to 6. Key point. Rest parameter must be last parameter. In function definition, the rest parameter must comes at the end. We can have other named parameter before it. Only one rest parameter is allowed. We cannot have more than one rest parameters in function definition. Additional example, if you understand the another example, here's the only one rest parameter is allowed in any function. Okay, so this is all about the rest parameter. The rest parameter is powerful feature for creating flexible function that can handle varying number of arguments. So I think you understand. Yeah, you understand. Now this is all about the rest parameter. In the next video, we'll learn about the how do we use async and await. For now, thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet in the next video.